everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a hot minute since the last time that I posted a video, and I've just been really busy. So this is what I'm going to be filming today. This is the full eye tutorial for my Cranberry Dream makeup tutorial, and that's all I needed to say. So let's get started. Is start off with priming my eyes, of course, and you guys already know what I like to use, and this is the MAC paint pot in the color Painterly. They also have the color Soft Ochre as well. I just like the color Painterly for my skin. So let's go ahead and prime the eyelid. Just gonna put that all over. I'm gonna start off with putting a transition shade on my eye, and this is going to be with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. I absolutely love this palette, so I'm really excited. They actually remade the palette and I haven't tried it out yet, so if you guys try it out, please leave a comment down below on how you like it, because I'm super excited to try it out one day. But I'm going to be taking the color Shy, and it's this light purple color here, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack T68 brush that is in this shape right here. I'm going to be taking this color all over my crease. I actually filmed this tutorial earlier this week. I think it was on Monday, and an eyelash got in my eye right like in the smack dab middle of this tutorial, and my eye got like super red and irritated. I was so sad that I couldn't finish filming. So literally all of that footage was a total waste. Okay, so we are done with the crease color. I'm going to go in with the NYX Perfect Filter palette here. And this is in the color Rustic Antique. And we're going to be taking this color here. I'm just going to be using this blending brush right here. I'm going to be taking it a little bit lower from the transition shade that we put in. Don't be afraid if it goes on the lid, because again, we are going to do a halo eye, so we're going to be cleaning it up anyway. So I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram, but I did get tickets to the Bruno Mars concert, and literally I went to my mom's house at 8 o'clock in the morning, and we set up at 8 o'clock, two computers, two MacBooks, and then my phone, which had the app, and then we had a phone that was talking to my cousins at the same time because we were both buying tickets, and then we had another phone to call in for the tickets. After putting that NYX Perfect Filter color in, I'm going to be darkening up the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye, and for that I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette again, and I'm going to be taking the color Bossy and Coco and mixing them together. Okay, so this color here, Bossy and Coco, these two colors here. I'll just use this one. It's a regular eyeshadow brush. So we're going to take these two colors, Bossy and Coco, and just mix them together and put them on our outer corner and inner corner of our eye to create the halo. the fallout here. There's a little bit of fallout on my face. When I was doing my everyday makeup tutorial, I told you guys that I don't normally like to put eyeshadow after my foundation, and this is why, because you have to clean up the fallout now. And I have foundation for the purpose of this video because I'm just going to be doing my eyeshadow and showing it to you guys. I did my foundation first off camera because you guys already know how I do my foundation. And bear with me, guys, because if you notice, both of my eyelids are different. You see it? Like this one is more open, I have more lid showing. This one is more like a hooded eye. So the struggle. Some of that over as well so it can be connected. I'm going to be taking a regular blending brush so that I can kind of blend it out into my crease so it's all blended together. Folks, I'm just going to be darkening up the outer corner and the inner corner a little bit more. When I first did this video, guys, I was like so unhappy in how it turned out. So I mean, it's not really a bad thing that an eyelash go in my eye. You know what, let me just dab a little bit of black eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking the color in the Huda Beauty palette, and that's Black Truffle. So I'm going to be doing this part off camera because for some reason I cannot do it. Well, I'm going to be using the Kilowatt highlighter, and I absolutely love this highlighter. Like, I want to buy more colors of the highlighter. So I'm going to be using the colors Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Moscow Mule, Kilowatt highlighter. Kilowatt. Guys, look at this, like how pretty this is. Okay, so you guys are going to think that I'm weird, but I'm going to be spraying my ring finger. Okay. And you remember in my other video I told you that if you're applying it with a wet brush, or in this case a wet finger, it will come out like 10 times better. So what you're going to do is where you put the concealer is where you're going to put the highlighter, okay? So I'm taking my finger and I'm just dabbing it where I put the concealer. Now I'm going to be putting that other color as well. I just mix them together. And don't be scared if you're like, if your halo eye is off, like if you put too much over the concealer, because you're going to go in and blend that after. So no biggie, girl. Using for lashes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack lashes in Dragon Eye. So it's these ones here. You guys can see that. These lashes here. So I'm going to be doing that off camera because I'm sure you guys don't need to be seeing me like cutting my eyelashes and gluing them on. If you guys want to see a video like that of like really how to apply fake lashes, then I can do that as well, like a more in-depth video. But for now, I'm going to be doing my eyelashes off camera. So I will be back when it's finished. Okay, we are not done with the makeup look yet. So I just put on my lashes right now. I'm going to be taking my Frankie Rose Cosmetics Waterproof Infinity Eye Pencil, and this is in this color here, which is Rebel. It's actually a blue color, but really you can't really tell, and I'm so lazy that I don't even want to buy a black eyeliner pencil, so I'm just going to use this until it runs out. But it applies, like, it looks like it's black when it's applied anyway, so I don't really care. So I'm going to be putting it on the upper waterline. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking, for the look I did on Instagram, I took the colors Bossy and Coco on by my lower lashes, but I feel like that was a little bit too dark, so I'm going to be taking the NYX Perfect Filter palette again, and I'm going to be taking that like maroon color, and it's this one here. So I'm going to be taking that with just a small little brush on my lower lashes. Another thing you want to do is connect it to the top. So you don't want to like have a gap from here to here. You want to connect it like that. So let's do that here. Then I'm going to be taking my lower lash mascara, which is my favorite mascara for my lower lashes. You guys know already. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. We're done with that. The next thing that I'm going to finish is the lips. And I'm going to tell you guys, I love this color of lip liner here. I use it literally all the time. And it's this Morphe lip liner here in vinyl. So I'm going to be taking the Taupe lipstick by MAC. You already know. Don't mind it. It's kind of ugly right now. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this color on my lips. And I think I actually have gloss on my Instagram post anyway. This lip gloss smells so good. I feel like I want to eat it. And I believe this is from Bath and Body Works. This is the Rome Honeysuckle Amore. No wonder it smells so good. That's the end of this makeup look. Do you guys like it? I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. That's pretty much it. Oh girl, I forgot to spray my MAC Fix Plus on my face. We don't want this running all over the place. You work so hard on it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am like super stoked because a lot of people have been commenting on my YouTube channel and commenting on my Instagram channel as well. I really love to get feedback from you guys. I would love if you guys comment more on my Instagram channel, my Instagram, and as well as my YouTube channel, because I love getting feedback from you guys, what you want to see. I really want you guys to comment on my stuff. Like, tell me what you guys want to see. Do you want me to film how I get my eyebrows? Do you want me to film how to contour and highlight? Do you want to film, like, do you want me to film more reviews of products that I've used? That way you can kind of get an idea of what you want to spend more money on. Do you want to see more drugstore? Oh, you guys thought I was going to stop at the drug word. Did you guys want to see more drugstore product reviews, stuff that you can buy at the drugstore? I am totally excited to have more videos out there. I'm probably trying to shoot for a new video every single week, so stay tuned, guys. But yeah, this is my Cranberry Dream makeup tutorial, and thank you so... Seriously? Like, was that necessary? Oh, okay. Anyway, this is my Cranberry makeup tutorial, Cranberry Dream makeup tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.
Just staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian?